Hello friend, have a good day. Friends, a free trading credit $50 on for trading account for 7 days. For other trading is possible only after the deposit. The profit can be withdrawn only after making the minimum trading volume. Terms and condition and all details. To a new offer notified bonus seriously higher than and offers be and others brokers. To friends, I am checking yours for all details. This brokers today. Friends, to check this broker trustability to 110%. Grand capital is broker's names and new clients available $50 no deposit bonus. To present a no deposit bonus for all new clients, it's time start your trading live trading with the $50 Forex no deposit bonus market. Make an account and get verified reward with non deposit credit. Take the best opportunity to start your trading. Will all profit received from trading. The bonus funds is withdrawable. According to terms and conditions, the bonus remaining in the account for 7 days after period is over. The bonus funds are deducted and all open trades are closed. To how to available, register an account, verify passport or phone number, etc. To no deposit bonus $50 added be automatically on your account. Maximum leverage and 1.200 regulated graphene to desktop and MT4 no deposit record standard account to payment method to Skrill wire transfer Visa Mastercard and etc. To withdrawal Skrill wire transfer Visa Mastercard. To verification available yes no. To this broker availability and how to terms and condition all changing. I am clicking now promotional offers type on your end account. To friends availability how to receive. To this I'm allowed to explore possibility of the market without any personal investment in order to convert the profit made from the trading on bonus account into the client's personal funds. It's necessary make a deposit and made the minimum trading volume of records. Bonus is granted for trading for a period of 7 days. $500 bonus is the best no deposit bonus for this our dream big master the real forex full profit convert according to formula $5 per standard lot. $5 per standard lot on your account. Friend, for example, you are creating your no deposit bonus received and you start trading. You are all equity $500, but you receive only $50 to etc. Thanks for watching. All